How to react to messages with emojis in Slack. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome on your device and search slack.com and log into your account. After you're in your account, go to the channel where you want to react to a message with emoji. Then simply click on the message and you'll find different options pop up. Click on Find Another Reaction. After you click on Find Another Reaction in here, you'll find different emojis. You can also click on Add Emoji at the bottom and add the emoji you want by uploading a picture. If not, you can simply click on Add Reaction and select the emoji available from here and it will be reacted. This is how to react to messages with emojis in Slack. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.